So today I'll be showing you how to turn off or how to disable the passcode of your iPhone Air. So go to settings. Under settings, go to Face ID and passcode, tap on that, and then enter your current passcode. Now once you enter the Face ID and passcode settings page, you can now scroll down and then you should see the option turn passcode off. Tap on that and then confirm you want to turn it off. And then it's going to ask for your Apple ID password. So type in that password and then tap on turn off. So it's going to take some time. Let me just type that password correctly and try again. And then it's going to ask for the passcode one more time, which I'll need to enter. Now keep in mind that you need at least a Wi-Fi or another SIM card connection for this to happen, because it does need to sign you in. And then it's going to ask if you want to turn off iCloud keychain. I'm going to select turn off and remove. And that's it. So now I can lock my phone and unlock it without the need for Face ID or a passcode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.